This color is amazing, and she has that button-up sweater dress on top of pants. Yes. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. It is still Fashion Week and today we are recapping Spring Summer 2020 Milan Fashion Week. I am so excited to be doing this. Some of the best shows are in Milan, were in Milan for Spring Summer 2020, and we are going to talk about how these fashion shows can inspire, inform our 2020 Spring Summer upcycles, and as well as when you're going to the thrift store, different things that you're picking up depending on like what's going to be in style. Now, I am in no way advocating if you don't like that style, wear it. No, I am just trying to give you guys some inspiration. You might be tired of your wardrobe, want to try some new things. I am here to help. All right, are you guys ready? We are going to kick off this show in 3, 2, 1. I can't do my fingers. I'm so excited for this show. It starts off amazing with the power shoulders once again. So this is 3 different places in the world that are doing the shoulders, so you guys know that that's going to be a big deal. And like I said again, that jumper over it with the straight at the collar, straight across the chest, I love that. And then this little dress, I think that's a dress. Yeah, I think that's a dress, but it has the bustier, and in other shows we saw all the bustiers on top of blouses, which is what my outfit is inspired by today, and I'll show you the rest of my outfit at the end of the video, and we'll talk about a recap. But again, you'll see the leather or faux leather with the puffy sleeves. Versace, as well as we saw that in New York, we saw that in Paris. And here once again you see the shoulders that are coming over almost like a cowl, that are just kind of cut off square, like a square cut shoulder, and sleeveless. I really like that. And once again you see the trench coat that has the puffy sleeves. So if you watched the previous 2 videos, you know where this is coming from. And we talked about off the shoulder, cold shoulder a lot, but like this is like cold biceps. I haven't seen this before. I'm super excited about this. And again, in this dress, you'll see it's just open like right here on that front part of the forearm. So that's exciting. I'm not sure how they draped that to make that do that, but that's really cool. And once again, we are seeing dresses, off the shoulder dresses on top of blouses, and this one is embellished beautifully. They go so well together. And once again, it's almost like Versace is almost like a recap of what we've seen before. And here you see it in sweatshirt material where they're doing the bleach tie-dye. We talked about that in denim, but this is the first that I've shown it in colors, and especially on a sweatshirt. And here you can see it in a suiting. So it's not denim, it's like they took a suit, or in the upcycle world, like they took a suit and bleach tie-dyed it. And here again, you can see that off-the-shoulder dress with on top of the bleach tie-dyed shirt. And once again here, the suit, a whole full suit from top to bottom, matching set in the bleach tie-dye, like it's a purplish blue color, and then the bleach kind of washed it out. Now, I don't know exactly if that's how it was produced. I mean, that's the fabric that they produced, but I'm just saying it in respect of how we would do it as upcyclers. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and share this video. We are on our way to 100,000 subscribers. We got to get there before March to keep our partner manager. So please subscribe and definitely share this video on your social media so everyone knows the amazing stuff that's going on here. All right, so next up we have Bottega, and I'm really excited about this show. You are going to see big pockets. If you haven't noticed it before, I am bringing it to attention right now in this outfit right here, as well as this suit right here. And so if you think about, you know, if you have a plain suit, maybe adding some contrasting pockets or matching pockets on the front of it, just to bring it a little bit more interest. And that's just a simple upcycle, something, or a simple alteration that you can just, you know, elevate something. And in this sweater, I wanted you guys to see the cut of the sweater, how it's kind of looping through. I thought that was very interesting. In addition to the bright colors, really nice. And then something else that I saw everywhere was these large bags. So if you like to carry your life in your bag, this is your season. This is your time to carry the biggest bag ever with everything you need for everything. And I love the texture of that skirt. That is so cool. All right, so here you'll see a faux leather trench romper short set. I don't know, it's got a lot of names, but like I said before in the other videos, that's something that I really want to try for this season. Alright, so next up is a design that I haven't reviewed on my channel before, and it's Marco Vincenzo. And this one, again, you're going to see the bustiers, and these are very round cut, almost like a seashell cut. And later on you'll see some over blazers, but then in Milan a lot of the bustiers were just, you know, with the shoulders out. And then here you'll see a straight cut, almost like a blazer was taken or a dress was taken and just taking the top right off and put it over on top of a tank top. So I thought that that was really cool and something to show you guys. I don't know what that is on her eye. And then again, you'll see a sheer trench coat here. We saw that, I believe it was in Paris, starting to see sheer trench coats. We're seeing trench coats everywhere, so why not a sheer one? And I think last season I saw one, and I want to say it was Sport Max who did it, but this year I'm seeing more of them. And then the other thing that I'm seeing is these dresses, this flowy material with cutouts in it. Sometimes it's circles, sometimes it's other shapes, but just varying sizes and different things like that. And I'm not sure how that fabric is made. That's something that I'm very interested in finding out. But I saw it in a couple of shows, and so I wanted to bring it to you guys' attention here. And the color on this dress is gorgeous, but she looked like she having a rough time walking in those shoes. She like, oh, please get to the end. Please just help me get to the end. And again, another bustier here, but what I liked about this one was it had the addition of the puffy sleeve on the side. So I don't think those are connected to anything. It's just, you know, for an accent to the outfit. Alright, so next up is the brand Etro or Etro. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this, but this one, I like the gold flecking in this dress, and we already talked about the handkerchief cut of the skirts that we've been seeing, so this is another example of that. But I also like that it's kind of sheer, but then it has that gold flecking to, you know, reveal and not, you know, unreveal different areas. So I really like that. And then next up is this pair of pants I told you guys to look out for. I believe it was in New York, or maybe Paris, I'm not sure. But it's that side, look at the side of those pants and how they're cut out with her Peter Pan boots. But the side, the way those pants are cut out, I think that we're going to be seeing a lot more of that style of pants. Almost like a culotte, but you know, kind of mixed between different style of pants. And then once again, it's like a trench bustier or a trench cut off that is over a blouse and then under a jacket. So you guys are going to definitely see that when I show you my outfit at the end. And then another outfit with the gold flecking, and I just love the flow of this one. This one has a really good flow, but that pattern on that outfit is just really gorgeous with the gold and the black. Alright, so next up we have the brand Agnona. That's another one that I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce. I hope I got it right. But this one, I wanted to show you like the paper bag waist. We love those on this channel. I have several tutorials for paper bag waists, something or other. But see, the blazer is tucked into the paper bag waist jeans. And we talked about that a couple of weeks ago when we did this blazer styling video. And once again, this one is a blazer on top of another blazer. And so if your blazers are thin enough, you can even pair them with one another. And I just showed this because this color, this neo mint, was the color that was predicted, and this color is amazing. And she has that button-up sweater dress on top of pants. Yes, I'm here for it. And then just a hair lighter is the next girl in the dress with over the pants as well. And then you can also see it in just a dull color and this beautiful silky dress. And I just love this color. Like the fact that Neo Mint was the color, yes, I was so happy and so here for it. And if you're interested in the behind the scenes of my videos, what's coming up, and the behind the scenes of my fashion line, when it's going to be launched, what goes into it, then definitely consider becoming a member. Hit that join button below. Alright, so next up I had to show you a few things from Fendi. Fendi is very seldom left out from my runway videos. I wanted to show you this quilting. This is something I'm actually only going to show you once, but I have been seeing it, and it's different things in quilted. So this jacket was quilted, as well as I've been seeing some purses that have been quilted as well. And look at this one piece, kind of utilitarian one piece, but they did it in so different, in that the bottom is a different color than the top. And then next up, just the sheer cutaway right in the middle. You'll see it in cool glasses. Like I said, hint hint to next week's video. And I love socks with heels. That's just me. But the sheer cutout of that coat is just so good. And that rolled hem on the jacket, amazing. Alright, so next up is one of my favorites, Sport Max. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. First up is this dress. Then it has like this piece, shoulder piece, like cowl. I don't know what it is, but I wanted you guys to see that because it goes along with the silhouette that's going on. And then also the shoulders on her dress, as well as this next dress that has the cutout right here in the chest. We've seen that several times as well. And this next suit that goes with shorts. I told you guys to think about styling your blazers with shorts, as well as, you know, maybe a sleeveless blazer on top of a blouse, just like you see here. So it's just some different ideas on how you can style. I would definitely recommend that you guys go and watch the full shows of all of these. Links to all of them are in the description box below. And then you'll see she has on almost like armor, like beautiful armor, but almost like armor, like a chest piece on top. And you're going to see that a couple of times in this runway show in this set of runway shows from Milan. And I love how they split that vest and then put the belt on there. That I thought was amazing. And this dress, super cool. Once again, you see those big cuffs on her sleeves, as well as that shoulder piece that goes on top. So these are leading up to, so that you can see these things are repeating, and once you start to see them in stores, you'll know like where they came from. Alright, so next up is Anye, and I'm super excited about this one. I haven't showcased this one before, but right out of the gate, you see this girl's little jumper dress. It's so cool. I think it's like a faux leather. I absolutely love it. And then for all of you boho fans, you guys, I know that you're going to love these pants, these flowy pants. They're just a tad bit sheer, but amazing. And then you're going to see her sheer puffy sleeves right at the bottom. I have a tutorial on that. It wasn't sheer, but I'll definitely link that tutorial just in case you want to do that. And then you'll see our twins here in the silk scarf dresses. I've been seeing those a lot, as well as the handkerchief skirt. And then another one that has the little jumper dress in a different texture. And in that same kind of feel, you'll see the dress, but it has the bell sleeves. And we saw bell sleeves all the way in New York in one of the shows as well. Now I want you guys to look at this girl's belt. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do belts, like larger belts, and I don't think I would mind doing one like that. I'm not big into cinching the waist, but I wouldn't mind that one. And I just love this dress. Once again, with the bell sleeves and the high in the front, low in the back, amazing. And then once again, another large belt. Yes, that is a belt. Once she gets to the back, you'll see how it snaps in the back. It has a little peplum. So it would be interesting to do a video on a peplum belt. And whatever you guys want to see, this dress is amazing. I'm just gonna let her walk. But whatever you guys want to see, put it in the comments, and then whatever I see the most, that's what we'll do first. Alright, so the next brand is Jenny, and I really like this. Another piece of almost like armor, and I think hers is really attached to the dress, but it still has that kind of feel to it. And then the cut on that sleeve or non-sleeve is amazing. And as well, these were just like really different from, they went along with everything else, but they were kind of different from what I had seen before. And I don't know exactly what her pants are doing, but they're doing something. They almost have like a cuff, like a arm cuff from a men's dress shirt on the bottom of the pants. So that's an idea. And then another piece of like armor, a chest piece or something like that on top of this set as well. So I told you guys that you were going to be seeing a few more of those pieces here in Milan, and definitely that is one of them. And then for those of you who like fringe, I had to throw this in for you because fringe is still in. So definitely keep rocking that fringe. And I had to show you this red dress. I don't know if it necessarily has anything to do with upcycling, but I love like this, the fabric has like a texture, a pattern to it, but it's still also silky and flowy, and then the one shoulder piece. I don't look great in one shoulder pieces, but I thought that this was still pretty cool. And of course the colors are vibrant and they have good flow as well. So I'm here for it. All right, so next up is Max Mara. I am super excited to show you guys this. I'm always super excited to show you guys. We have our triplets here rocking the same colors, but they're all in different outfits. I absolutely love the utilitarian look, and you'll see it done so well here on this runway show. And not only that, but you'll see it done in a flowy way as well. Look at, oh my gosh. And for those of you who don't like to cinch the waist, they show you in this runway show how you can add almost like saddlebags, side pockets to like give you a silhouette of a hip if you're not trying to suck everything in, which I'm not trying to do. And then they'll show you how to pair that utilitarian with layers, with flowy layers, to make it a little bit more girly and not so serious. And then here they have it in this lovely like light lilac color that I really like, and paired with shorts once again. And those Bermuda shorts, you're really going to start to see those more and more. Again here with the flowy, the layers, paired with a lot of pockets and different things like that. And this one has a little bit of a softer texture on the jacket as well to, you know, kind of soften it up a little bit. And here you can see what I was saying about giving yourself curves. This girl looks like she's a lot curvier than she is. I'm sure she's not as curvy as this appears, but that silhouette just gives her the appearance of a lot more curves. And then they started to transition the colors, which was amazing. Everything in their show pretty much was very monochromatic, which allowed you to focus on the details, and I can appreciate that definitely. And here you will see the Neo Mint take over at the end of the show, and the rainbow macaroon girls behind her. That was the colors that were forecasted, rainbow macaroon, and they do look like the color of macaroons, but amazing fashion. Love the hats, love the monochromatic look, just love everything about this. And you're going to see that I've definitely been inspired by that. All right, so let's recap. What did we see in Milan? We saw the big waist pockets right at the last minute at the Max Mara show. So amazing, so amazing. You can add that to any of your upcycles. Then we also saw quilted items. Think about, you know, I have a couple of quilted pieces that I would like to upcycle into something else, so I'm holding on to those, thinking about what I might want to make with them. And the utilitarian look, we've seen that also in all three locations. So I really like that style. I know that that's not going to be everybody's style. Some people find it boring, but I just love the idea of pockets. So I did a video not too long ago where I added pockets to some military pants, and I love that video. And you know, it's just like, I just really like pockets. I mean, who doesn't want pockets? We love pockets. And then also the bustiers and the off-shoulder dresses over blouses. That is something I saw in all three of the locations that we've reviewed. So that's definitely trending. I have on the bustier on top of the blouse, and the cinched waist pants, and then the blazer. Very almost monochromatic except for my bustier, but then it has that kind of rainbow macaroon feel. So I've definitely been inspired by these shows. I hope you guys have enjoyed these videos. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and share this video with someone else so they know the awesome stuff that's going on here. And I have some more videos for you to watch right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!